Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to check Windows 11 laptop battery health. So step 1, press the Windows button on your laptop's keyboard, then in the search tab type command prompt. Step 2, after the best match menu pops up, right click on the command prompt app and click run as administrator. Step 3, once you are in command prompt, type this line of code exactly as follows: power button report divided by output C battery report HTML and press enter. This will generate a battery report that immediately is saved to your C drive. Step 4, to find the battery report you just generated, open your file explorer from the Windows 11 taskbar, then click the PC. From here you want to navigate to the devices and drive section. Once you have opened your C drive where your new battery HTML file should be sitting at the bottom of the folder. Step 5, after clicking this HTML link, your battery report will open in your default browser. From here you can check everything from usage history, battery capacity history to battery life estimates. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you.